Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you for coming to hang out with me. And I am excited. As you can see from the description, we have a new box to unbox today. This is Spark Candles. This is a subscription box. They are through Cratejoy. I will make sure to put a link to their Cratejoy site as well as pricing down below for you guys. What I think is awesome is this is like always, it's a combination of candles, like wax melts, charts, and what is really cool is you can pick what types of scents you like, whether you like clean and fresh scents, you know, cooking, like baking type scents, different things like that. So I'm super excited to see what is in here. I went with the like baking scents because I love when my house smells like I have muffins or something in the oven, but I don't really have to do muffins. So, like I said, yes, I'm super excited to see what is in here. So let's get this open. Like I said, this is through Cratejoy. I will, like I said, make sure to put all of the information down below, the link to their Cratejoy page, and pricing. And all right, so this is what we see when we open it. And the first thing, something smells amazing. I can already tell you that. It looks like there's 3 things in here. Let's see. This looks like wax melts or tarts. Looks like there's 6 of them in here, and they're really good sized. Like really good sized. And this is in birthday cake. Now y'all know this is probably gonna smell awesome. As soon as I am done with this video, there is a wax burner right, well, you can't see it. It's literally right next to the clock on this green table right here. One of these bad boys is going into that wax burner. Oh my gosh, that smells absolutely amazing. Like, they literally captured what you think of when you think of like a birthday cake into this wax melt. And I am very pleased and very happy with that. So, wow. And there's 6 of them. Like I said, they're big. They're big wax cubes. So item number 1 already for me is amazing. Like I said, birthday cake, and they smell fabulous. Next we have some bubble wrap here. And we have a candle. And it's in a mason jar, which is super cute. You guys know I love my mason jars. This is in hot fudge. So let's see. Y'all, this smells like hot fudge. And it smells so good. Like, how they captured these smells is like mind-blowing to me right now. I don't know exactly what they did as far as scents, but it is literally like birthday cake. This is literally like hot fudge. And it doesn't have a artificial smell to it. It literally smells like true hot fudge. Oh, man. Y'all know how I am about candles and then mason jars, so I'm super happy. And yes, we have one more item in here. So these are some more little wax cubes, and this is in coconut cream pie. Y'all, my husband will come home from work and be like, honey, you been baking? No. Oh my gosh. That smell, like, I'm not kidding. That smells so good. It's like a relaxing smell too, though. And I have felt so yucky, and it's like, I literally just feel like, oh, when I smell this coconut cream pie, I don't know which one I want to use now. But can you see this? Like, I have bought, you know, like at Walmart, like the Better Home and Garden little wax melts. And they always smell great, but this smells so good. Like I said, there's nothing artificial smelling about any of these products. And for them to hand make and hand pour these items, can you see, like, there's not like cracks or chips or anything. These products are amazing. The quality of these products. So I am absolutely going to be, I don't know, it's between the birthday cake and the coconut cream pie. I'm honestly starting to lean more towards the coconut cream pie at this point because, like I said, I haven't been feeling so hot, and when I just smelled this, it kind of made me feel so. 2 thumbs up for Spark candles. This is amazing, and I am absolutely so happy to have received this, and you know, I'm gonna have all kinds of wonderful smells going on. So like I said, I will put a link to their Crate Joy site down below, as well as pricing for their different subscriptions. And again, remember, you can pick, if you like certain types of scents, they let you choose what type of scents you prefer. So I think that is really awesome. So again, everything will be down below. We have our coconut cream pie little wax cubes. We have the birthday cake wax. These are almost to me more like tarts because they're so much bigger, that smell fantastic. And then we have this cute mason jar hot fudge candle. And I'm not kidding when I tell you guys this smells like hot fudge. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And don't forget, we have our 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on, so you want to make sure that you do enter that. And make sure once you have subscribed, if you have not already, that you have hit your notification bell, because I am doing the 10 days of live giveaways. So you want that notification bell pressed so you get notified when I go live. I hope you all have a fabulous evening, and I will talk with you in the next video. Bye.